Hey guys, welcome back to the Financial Experiment. Today we're taking a look at what happened in 2020 with all of my investments combined, and we're going to talk about my goals for 2021. And just as a quick reminder, if you also would like to get into investing, there are some referral links down below where if you sign up for Robinhood or Webull, you get a couple of free stocks just for opening an account. So let's get right in with Robinhood, see what's happening over the past week. Over the past week, we are up $3,549, 3.8%. Over the past month, we're up $13,000, 16%. Over the past 3 months, we're up $32,000, 51%. Over the past year, we are up $68,300, a total of 257%. That's crazy. So what am I expecting for 2021? I should say, instead of expecting, what am I hoping for 2021? I would love to see this account hit 200,000. And you might be thinking, Miguel, have you lost your marbles? You would have to more than double this account in the next year. And you know that you cannot expect these gains consistently. In fact, on average, the stock market only moves up 10%, and that's on average. There are years where you're just going to lose money, and I get this. Also, what makes this more challenging is that between you guys and me, I sent a letter of resignation to my employer. My last day of work is January 29th, and I will be living off of a reserve of cash that I have. That should be enough for at least 1 year. So for the next year, I'm actually not going to be making any money. I'm going to be living off of some savings, which means that I'm going to have very little, if any, income to invest into this account or any other. So this account will essentially be left intact, pretty much, unless I start making bank off of YouTube with my 20 views and TikTok. But so that's the other challenge is normally for the past year, for example, I've been putting $1,000 into this account consistently every single month. That's going to stop. So it really would have to more than double for me to hit 200,000 next year. Can it happen? Is it possible? Yeah, I think it's well within the realm of possibility with what I'm invested in. But if it doesn't happen, I would completely understand because that is an insane thing for me to wish for. Moving on to Webull. Over the past, let's see, since I started investing, let's take a look at this. This madness. This is insane. Since I started investing in Webull, I'm up 1,522%, which by the way is about 2 years. This is a 2-year chart. My goal for Webull, if we pull back a little bit, you can't, okay, so you can see net assets, $17,000. Okay, I'd like to see this hit 40,000. Again, I will be out of a job next year. Next year, I'm going to fully dedicate myself to YouTube, TikTok, social media, and also be doing some traveling. In around March, I plan on going back to Colombia, where my family is. And from there, I would like to maybe see what else is out there. Visit Spain, maybe Bali, Indonesia, Goa, India, Japan. I don't know. I have this reserve of cash that I can use. That's good for at least a year, maybe 2 years. So again, not going to be putting any money in. I'm just going to let this ride out and see what happens. So $40,000 would be my goal for Webull. Now, this is an interesting one. Fundrise. Fundrise, I'm actually going to switch so that they start depositing money into my account. This is kind of part of the plan. Now, I'm going to start taking in profits. Instead of reinvesting my dividends, every quarter I'm going to be getting between $30 to $40 in dividends. Let's take a look at what we have historically. Yeah, so at the beginning of 2020, during this coronavirus lockdown, my dividends were reduced to $30 from $42. Now, since then, they've gone up a little bit, and I would expect maybe next quarter get like $37, maybe something closer to $40. But who knows? Who knows what will happen? And this is exactly what this account is for. It's a supplemental income. I want to supplement my income, the pile of cash that I have reserved, with this. Now, is it going to make a huge difference? $30, $40 every 3 months? Probably not. But this is what it's for, so I might as well use it, because in the future, when I become a millionaire, that is when, not if, am I gonna need $30, $40 every 3 months? I don't think so. So that's why I'll be taking advantage of Fundrise as supplemental income as it is intended to be. And I'll let you guys know how that works. So with that, I suppose I will wrap up this 2020 wrap up and 2021 year preview. Let's hope it's a preview. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked the video, please hit the thumbs up button. It really helps me out. And if you'd like to see more content like this and see what happens, am I gonna run out of money? Am I gonna have to use, let's just use this? Maybe, maybe not. We'll see how expensive traveling around ends up being. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll catch you next time.